Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest social media hacks and tips. Today, we're diving into the topic: how to see who searched for you on the Facebook app in 2025. If you've ever wondered who's been checking out your profile, you're not alone. This is a hot question. But let's get straight to it. Facebook doesn't actually have a direct feature that lets you see exactly who searched for you. It's a common myth, and for good reasons like privacy and security. First off, why might you want to know this? Maybe you're curious about old friends or potential stalkers. However, as of 2025, Meta, Facebook's parent company, still prioritizes user privacy, so they haven't rolled out a tool for this. That said, there are a few workarounds to give you some insights. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, head to the Activity log under the three-dot menu. Here, you can see interactions like posts you've been tagged in or friend requests, but it won't list searches. Another angle: check your profile visitors indirectly. If someone interacts with your content, like liking a post or commenting, you'll get notifications. You can also review your friends list and see recent activity, but that's not foolproof. Pro tip: use Facebook's View as feature to see how your profile looks to others. This helps you spot potential issues but doesn't reveal searchers. Now, for privacy, always adjust your settings. Go to Settings and Privacy in the app, then Privacy Shortcuts, and manage who can see your posts, friends list, and more. This way, you stay in control. Remember, third-party apps claiming to show who viewed your profile are often scams. Avoid them to protect your data. In summary, while you can't directly see who's searching for you on Facebook in 2025, focusing on your privacy settings is the best defense. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.